Hi. Today we're installing our 3 inches LED pod kit. As you can see here on this 2021 Chevrolet Colorado. Let's get started. The first step is to open the hood. We're going to use the 13mm wrench to loosen the 2 bolts here. Do not remove the bolts completely, as the Lasfit brackets are side mountable, like this one. You don't have to worry about an accident if the hood falls off like this. Then we tighten the 2 bolts. With the hood closed, we are going to take our 3-inch pod light with bracket and place it on top of the ditch light bracket. Drop the bolt through and feed the washer and nut underneath. Fasten it only to save room for adjustment later. Do the same with the other side. After the pod light is installed, we can now route our wiring. For this step you'll need a 12-volt power supply, a ground, and a place to mount your switch. We recommend running your switch through the firewall into the cab to a location of your choice. Then plug in the DT connector. Now you have a clean low-profile off-road look, but also an added increase in light output. If you are looking for a ditch light kit for your vehicle or any of our other products, please visit our website at lasfit.com.